If you've ever lost an auction on eBay because someone outbid you at the last second, automatic bidding can help you stay ahead without constantly checking the listing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up automatic bidding on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to place smart bids and increase your chances of winning auctions easily. First, open the eBay website or app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, search for the item you want to buy and click on the listing. Make sure the item is listed as an auction and not a fixed price listing, because automatic bidding only works with auction. On the product page, you'll see the current bid price and a box where you can enter your bid. This is where automatic bidding comes into play. Instead of placing small bids repeatedly, you simply enter the maximum amount you're willing to pay for that item. After entering your maximum bid, click the Place Bid button. eBay will now automatically bid on your behalf. It will increase your bid in small increments whenever someone else places a higher bid, but only up to your maximum limit. For example, if the current price is low and you enter a higher maximum bid, eBay will keep you in the lead by automatically raising your bid just enough to stay ahead of other bidders. This continues until your maximum limit is reached or the auction ends. You don't need to manually keep checking the auction every time someone bids. However, it's still a good idea to monitor the listing occasionally in case you want to increase your maximum bid. Also, make sure you set a realistic maximum bid based on your budget. Automatic bidding can be very effective, but it's important not to overspend in competitive auctions. In this tutorial, we learned how to set up automatic bidding on eBay by entering a maximum bid, allowing eBay to bid automatically on your behalf, and managing your bids effectively. This feature helps you stay competitive and saves time during auctions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.